Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to test out the Chemical Guys Hydro Leather Interior Cleaner Ceramic Coating. So according to Chemical Guys, this product is a super hydrophobic SiO2 barrier which repels water, stains, and UV rays. They also continue to say that this ceramic leather protective coating delivers incredible properties, really leaving behind a surface that's durable, flexible, and long-lasting. And in terms of long-lasting, of course, again, according to Chemical Guys, it resists UV fading for up to 12 months on leather seats. So we'll put this product to the test. Here's a demo. Stay tuned. So the first obvious step is to make sure you vacuum all the seats properly. And then this next step would actually be using a leather cleaner. So use a good quality leather cleaner, really get into the crevices of the leather seats. Do a really good job of it to really ensure you're cleaning it properly. If your leather seats are really dirty, use a leather cleaning brush that can really get through the grime and the dirt in there. So my seats have been maintained pretty well, so I'll be using a microfiber cloth here. So once you've cleaned the seats, you want to go ahead and use the actual product, of course. You can apply it on a microfiber cloth, or you can actually go ahead and apply it through an applicator. I tend to like to use an applicator. I find it's easier to spread the product around, but it's really your choice. So you want to go ahead and get into the crevices. I'm going actually in a crisscross formation, so one direction, of course, and then go in the opposite direction. And make sure you're really, penetrating through the leather seats with that product. I spray just 3 shots of spray to the applicator and just apply it. And lastly, you want to get a microfiber cloth, a clean one that you haven't used, and just wipe down the excess product. Again, sticking with the same formation, using the cross formation to wipe everything down. And this is once again the Chemical Guys Hydro Leather Interior Cleaner Ceramic Coating. I guess it applied really well, I'll say. Is the product durable? Time will tell. But take a few moments, share your comments if you used this product before, and your thoughts on the experience and the durability as well. Well, thanks again everyone for watching this video. If you haven't already, click on that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel. Alright everyone, well thanks for watching this video. God bless. See you in the next one.